Hi, welcome to my channel. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs or glowworms, are magical creatures that light up the night. But did you know that there are more than 2,000 species of these fascinating insects worldwide? These insects can be found on every continent except Antarctica. In this video, we will discuss 10 amazing facts about fireflies that will blow your mind. First, are fireflies actually beetles? Yes. Fireflies belong to the beetle order and are part of a family called Lampyridae. Like other beetles, their toughened forewings fold down flat to cover and protect their bodies when they land. Number 2. Why can fireflies glow? Have you ever touched an incandescent light bulb? A regular bulb produces 90% heat and only 10% light. Fireflies also generate heat when producing light in their abdomen, but they convert more than 80% of their energy into light. Their glow comes from a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. This happens when a compound called luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase. The reaction is similar in all firefly species, but the colors range from yellow to greenish blue. The different colors result from variations in the luciferin molecule among species. By controlling the amount of energy produced during the reaction, fireflies can control the brightness and duration of their glow. In addition, fireflies store energy from food in the form of ATP, which they use to power their light emission. Magnesium ions play a key role in regulating the flow of energy. 3. What is the purpose of a firefly's light? Scientists believe that the primary use of the firefly's light is communication within their area. Experiments show that this glow serves as both an identification signal and a mating signal to attract individuals of the opposite sex. The color, timing, and pattern of a firefly's flash is unique to its species. Male fireflies tend to flash their abdomens while hovering in the air, while females usually respond with a flash while on the ground. Number 4. When do fireflies start glowing? We often think fireflies only glow when they are adults, but in fact, they can emit light at all life stages: larva, pupa, and adult. Studies have shown that larval fireflies use their glow to warn off predators. Many species also release a foul odor from their rear ends when threatened, and they may even produce a faint, flickering glow when disturbed. 5. Can some fireflies not glow? Yes, not all species in the Lampyridae family glow. Some species in Western North America do not emit light at all, making them easy to confuse with other beetles. Even within a species, some individuals may be unable to produce light due to environmental factors such as temperature or the availability of certain chemicals. 6. What do fireflies eat? The larvae and adult fireflies are carnivorous and opportunistic hunters. Snails are their favorite meal, especially those living in damp habitats. They may also eat earthworms. Some Asian species even have gills, allowing them to hunt underwater. These include Dichynia coccinea and Celoptera grisea, which inhabit rice paddies and streams in China and Japan. These two species have flattened shells and tube-like bodies that help them move through water with ease. In contrast, the American genus Phengaris lives in dry habitats and has no gills. The larvae of these fireflies mimic ants, benefiting from the ants' protection and adopting their colony-oriented behavior. In return, the ants receive a sticky secretion from the fireflies, which they use to identify members of their own colony. Number 7. Do fireflies eat each other? Not exactly. While they are carnivorous, they generally don't eat their own kind. Instead, they prefer other small insects like moths or beetles. If preferred prey is scarce, they may feed on mites or pollen instead. However, there is a glowing beetle called Photurus that preys on fireflies. There are several species of this beetle, but the most common is Photurus versicolor. As mentioned earlier, it uses a combination of visual cues and chemical signals to locate its unsuspecting victims. The Photurus female has developed an impressive hunting strategy. She imitates the blinking patterns of other firefly species, specifically those whose males are a preferred food source for her. By mimicking the courtship flashes of other fireflies, she attracts the attention of the male fireflies who mistake her for a potential mate. Once close enough, the Photorus female seizes her prey with her powerful jaws and quickly devours her unsuspecting victim. Sometimes the males of the Photorus species engage in kleptoparasitism, stealing prey from other fireflies. During a nighttime stakeout, they watch for an encounter between a female Photorus and her unsuspecting victim. Then, just before the Photorus female is about to make her move, the male swoops in, snatches the prey from her grasp, and flies away. 8. Who are fireflies' enemies? Photorus is not the only enemy of fireflies. Other predators such as bats, frogs, toads, and birds prey on them. And as mentioned earlier, dragonflies are notorious for capturing and consuming other flying insects, including fireflies. In addition, fireflies face threats from habitat destruction and light pollution. Light pollution can interfere with their ability to communicate and find mates, while habitat destruction can reduce the availability of food and suitable places to lay eggs. Climate change is another threat to fireflies. The changing climate may alter the timing of their life cycle, making it harder for them to find food and mates. Number 9. Are fireflies beneficial to humans? Despite their small size and short lifespan, fireflies have played a significant role in advancing medical research. Scientists have extracted luciferase, the enzyme responsible for firefly bioluminescence, for use as a research tool. Luciferase converts light energy into chemical energy, making it valuable for tracking hydrogen peroxide levels in test organisms. Researchers use firefly luciferase as a marker in various studies, including cancer and diabetes research. By monitoring changes in luciferase activity, scientists can gain insights into the mechanisms underlying these diseases and develop new treatments. For example, in cancer research, firefly luciferase has been used to track the growth and spread of tumor cells. By inserting a gene for luciferase into tumor cells, researchers can monitor the progression of the disease in real time. Similarly, in diabetes research, firefly luciferase has been used to study the function of insulin. By tracking the movement of insulin molecules in the body, scientists can better understand how this hormone regulates blood sugar levels and develop new therapies for diabetes treatment. Number 10. Can fireflies create a light show? Some species can synchronize their flashing patterns, creating a spectacular display of glowing lights dancing in the darkness. These synchronized flashes can occur in various locations across the globe, but some of the best places to witness this phenomenon are in Southeast Asia and at Great Smoky Mountains National Park in the U.S. During the late spring, millions of fireflies gather in the park, creating a magical spectacle that has earned it the nickname Great Smoky Mountain Firefly. The synchronous flashing behavior of the fireflies remains poorly understood, but it is believed to serve an anti-predator function. By flashing in unison, the fireflies may confuse potential predators, making it difficult for them to capture and eat the insects. Another possible explanation is that the synchronous flashing helps the fireflies to communicate with each other and coordinate their activities. If you like our videos, please share them with your friends and family so that our next video will reach more people. Thank you and see you in the next video. In the next